I got a funny feeling our grandchildren will be watching this. Hi, Asher. Hi, Lily. Shop Dog Sasha says hi, too. Today I'm going to make a special Christmas gift for my granddaughter. It's a pen. And I know she watches my videos, so I hope she enjoys watching her pen being made. So the first thing we're going to do is run over to the corral and get some branches off a tree that was cut down for our power lines. Then we're going to drill holes in those branches and bring them to the lathe. Grandma always makes Grandpa wear a dust mask. When it's cold, I get to wear a hat with my dust mask. Oops, I forgot my safety glasses. That wood is looking better and better every minute. I think you're going to like a pink pen. Now we're going to shine that baby up. It's Thanksgiving morning, and I'm finishing your pen, Lily. I just talked to you a little bit ago, and I just want you to see how nice it looks while it's still on the lathe. I still have to assemble it, but this is the top that I'm making for Asher. The top and a UFO. And now those are both done. Grandpa's getting awful tired. This is a little story about my pens. You may have to pause this in order to read it. Your pen is finished, and you already have it, and I know you like it. Grandma added a little bit to it with a necklace. On our way home, we stopped in Fargo, and Grandma stuffed Grandpa into the wood chipper. Luckily, it was out of gas. You can visit us at Facebook or Pinterest, and you can even check out Shop Dog Sasha's Facebook page. Thanks for watching.